Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Kwik Trip Rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in kwikrewards.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Kwik Trip Rewards. Now click on the login button from the home page and you will be taken into the login portal. Now just type in your email address within the email box that you have used while signing up for your account, and then type in your account password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Kwik Rewards account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot password button and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Kwik Trip Rewards account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.